So welcome students. In this question, you're given that you have two vertices of a triangle, 2, -3 and -2, 1, and the centroid of this triangle lies on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. If that is so, what is the locus of the third vertex? So if the centroid moves on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, what is the locus of the third vertex? What is the path in which the third point moves? So again, a very simple question. Let us assume that h comma k is a point on the locus. So let us assume that h comma k is the third vertex. Now what is the centroid of this triangle? Centroid by formula is nothing but 2 minus 2 plus h by 3 minus 3 plus 1 plus k by 3, right? That is nothing but h by 3 and k minus 2 by 3. So this is the centroid of this triangle if the third vertex is hk. But it is given that the centroid lies on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. That means this point has to satisfy this line. So 2 times h by 3 plus 3 times k minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So if you take LCM, 2h plus 3 times k minus 2 is equal to 3. So once you got an equation in h and k, you can substitute h with x and k with y. So you have 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 3. So that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So this will be the locus of the third vertex of this triangle. Thank you.